Hello everybody and welcome. And in this episode we will see a rather nice long road with a equally nice building, the Topography of Terror, which was a cracking museum that we couldn't actually film in, a gargoyle. Yeah, okay. Checkpoint Charlie will tell you exactly where we are, and we were soggy wet and didn't like it at all. We drove from Schwerin down to Berlin. It was a nightmare of a drive. I'm not even going to explain it. You'll never guess where we are.
Yeah, clues in there.
And we're not talking about the McDonald's. Hey?
Oh, I see. That's where we are in relation to...
How many hours there are in a day.
So in Honolulu, it's 11 o'clock at night.
I wonder if they're right about the Philippines, though.
Yes, I think. That should be about 14 hours, shouldn't it?
No, it's about 7, I think, from here. Well, it depends. No, it'd be about 7. There you go for all the people in the Philippines. Or 17 hours. Don't quite buy that, but there you go.
I'm assuming that's 17.
Wow. That's TV tower from Alexanderplatz. The other side. There's a lot of it. And if we swing around, there's your TV tower, and there's your little church. Well, quite a big one, actually. There we go, another Berlin river. Well, another river.
Berlin water taxi.
And that is right by the cathedral. And it's still hammering down. I have no idea what that is. See if we can zoom in. Whatever it is. Berlin Cathedral. Pretty impressive. I can get back a bit more. Oh, we're on there. And if you spin around, that's it. Rather nice green. With a rather nice fountain. And it is still hissing down with rain.
National Museum, British Museum.
We can't be the British one, we're in Berlin.
It's the German version.
Fair enough. Here we are on the green, opposite the cathedral. Well, outside of the cathedral. Quick pan around. Still don't know what that is.
That's another museum.
It's a museum of some description.
In the day.
And that's what the church looks like from back here.
You see where those top statues are, the green ones?
Yeah.
Bottom of the base of the dome, that's where I walked around up there.
Oh, okay.
267 steps.
You had to get that on film, didn't you?
And as I say, once you get to 250 steps, there's a defibrillator on the wall.
Surprise, surprise.
It does.
The fountain up close. Not bad. Some pretty big guys. Love to know how they built it. I wonder when was it built?
I've got a leaflet, but it's getting wet, so I didn't look at it. I'll look at it later.
Fair enough. And then if I spin around an avenue of trees, and yes, another river, which I'm reliably informed is called the Sea.
It's the sea.
The S-double-E.
According to the map, but I could be wrong. I think on the map it looks like it's the sea, but I could be wrong.
See if it's salt water or not. Wandering back to Alexanderplatz. I have no idea what this is. It's outside that massive great Humboldt Forum, apparently. There you go. Well, this is where we are today. We gave up yesterday. Too much rain. Well, here is Brandenberg Tor. It's a rather silly tent in front of it, which is somewhat ruins it. But yes, not bad. Spin around. Yep. There's the TV tower, he says, with a quick zoom in. I'm not going over the road, I'm just going through here. And great, we get a van comes past right in front of us. A better shot if I give you 10 fingers out of the way. We'll go around the front, yeah. The Reichstag. What impressive architecture. No idea when it was built. Any idea of when it was built?
I think this is modern.
I don't know. It's quite impressive though. Mind you, if I was German, I would probably say the same about the Houses of Parliament. Go past the Reichstag and you have the sea. I have no idea what that is. Apart from 1,001 people milling past. I don't know what that is. Huh? Okay. There's that damn TV tower again. I can pull that back a bit. This is the other side. Still pretty impressive. Although somebody's parked a load of trees in the way, as they do. And that is the view opposite das Reichstag. Wherever you go, there's a tower crane. Either that or a JCB.
Absolutely.
We're going to explain what this is. It's a memorial to the Romas and Gypsies that were taken. And that will give it away. Treblinka.
There's so many concentration camps that we don't think of.
Buchenwald. Never heard of Niedergamme.
Auschwitz had 200 satellite camps.
Huh?
Work camps, basically.
Excellent start. Not heard of that one. Okay.
Soggy ball.
Yeah.
Soggy ball would be one where they.
Breakout.
Sorry?
Breakouts, Russians. Sobibor. That's section housing. Yeah, section housing, yeah. There's a few out there. I mean, Esterbergen, I've never heard of. Yeah. Auschwitzbergen. Vilegrad. Westerbork. At the back of the Brandenberg gate without 500 vans in front of it. You seem to think it's a market gate. Which wouldn't surprise me in the slightest. I don't know of any. So is this still the Tiegaarten?
This is all the Tiegaarten, yeah. Big wooded area.
And we're wandering down this path.
The Victory column, I think it's called.
Fair enough.
Which Victory?
Yes. There's some ye ancient war.
Well,
Russia and
Russia won the Russian war, didn't they? Not the European war, it's the 19th century.
just over the road from the Tiegaarten, which is behind me. Is this? Oh, yes, that is a tank. Not only do they have tanks, they have a couple of field goals on there. So I am not too sure if I can zoom in on that. I think that's Russian.
I was going to say, I think it's and look, it's 1941 to 45.
Yeah.
Battered Berlin.
And there's that good big other tank. Which is probably a Russian something or other. I'm not up on my tanks, I'm afraid. It's about the closest we're going to get, because it isn't.
Triumphant Arch.
So they say. We are now standing on the main route with our dear Adolf. marched all these troops up and down.
Swim around the gate.
And if I swing round really, really fast to make you all sick, there's the back end of the Brandenberg Tor. Yes, I know, but we could have walked up a little bit. Trabiworld. The world of the Trabant. A large bit of the wall. Internal or external, we do not know.